Notion is one of the best productivity software that can help you to enhance your work productivity. You can find free Notion templates in several places online. One of the best places is Notion's own template gallery. You can have a range of free templates across different categories, task management and personal finance. You can duplicate any template to your workspace by clicking duplicate on the desired template. Let's see how you can do it. First, go to the marketplace of the Notion and you'll see now you're on the discover page. You can see lot of templates on your screen with they are some are free, some are paid. You should try free one. Here there are numerous free templates. For example, we can see here category startup and we can click on that. After clicking on category startup, here you can see startup based template like this one and different kind of. You can see fundraising tracker. This is a template which this is a fundraising tracker Notion template that helps you to track your funds. You can click on view template to see how this template looks like. After clicking it, you can see this on your screen, like how Notion showing you the entire template. There you can see there's different tables to track your expenses and fundraising tracking. If you want to use this in your place, click on the duplicate button and that's it. After clicking on duplicate, you can see the same template on my side. So this was how you can use free Notion templates to boost your productivity.